I see the crystal raindrops fall, and the beauty of it all is when the sun comes shining through to make those rainbows in my mind. When I think of you sometime, and I want to spend some time with you, just the two of us. We can make it if we try, just the two of us. Just the two of us. Just the two of us. Floating castles in the sky, just the two of us. You and I. Just the two of us. We can make it if we try, just the two of us. Just the two of us. Just the two of us. Oh, it's just the two of us. Just the two of us. Yeah, just the two of us.
touch this. Can't touch this. My music hits me so hard, makes me say, oh my Lord, thank you for blessing me. What a mind to rhyme and to hype me, it feels good when you know you're down. A super dope homeboy from the Oak Town, and I'm known as such. And this is a beat you can't touch. I told you, homeboy, you can't touch this. Yeah, that's how we living, and you know, break it down. Hammer time, go with the flow. It is said if you can't groove to this, then you probably are dead. So wave your hands in the air, bust a few moves, run your fingers through your hair. This is it for a winner. Dance to this, and you're gonna get there. The move, slide your rump, just for a minute. Let's all do the bump, 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 bump. Yeah, you can't touch this. Look, man, you can't touch this. You better get hype, boy, cause you know you can't touch this. Ring the bell, school's back in. You can't touch this.
She's a super freak, she's super freaking out. Everybody sing. Super freak, super freak. Celebrate good times, come on. Celebrate good times, come on. Let's celebrate. Yeah, yeah. Celebration. We gon' celebrate and have a good time. Everyone around the world, come on. It's a celebration. Celebrate good times, come on. Come on and celebrate tonight. 'Cause everything's gonna be alright. Let's celebrate.
Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us. Just the two of us. Just the two of us. Building castles in the sky. Just the two of us. You and I.
Come home in the morning like my mother said. When you gonna live your life right? Oh, mama, dear, we're not the fortunate ones. And girls, they wanna have fun. Oh, girls just wanna have. That's all they really want. Some fun. When the work and day is done, oh, girls, they wanna have fun. Oh, girls just wanna have fun. Wanna have fun, girls. Wanna have. They just wanna. They just wanna. They just wanna. They just wanna. Girls just wanna have fun. Just wanna.